In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files with Microsoft Teams. Sharing files in Teams is a straightforward process that enhances collaboration and ensures that your team members have access to the necessary documents right at their fingertips. Whether it's project plans, reports, or simple notes, seamlessly sharing these files can greatly improve your team's efficiency and productivity. So, let's dive right in and guide you through each step clearly and concisely. First, ensure you're logged into Microsoft Teams. This is your workspace for everything related to team collaboration. Now, to begin sharing your file, navigate to your chat conversation. Chat is your go-to area for direct messaging with colleagues, allowing you to exchange information quickly. Here, you'll likely have multiple ongoing chats, each perhaps focused on specific projects or topics. Once you're in the chat where you'd like to share your file, direct your attention to the Compose box at the bottom of the chat window. This is where you typically type your messages, but for sending files, we'll be using the options located right below this. Look for the Attach icon that resembles a small paperclip. This icon is universally recognized for attaching files, and in Teams, it's your gateway to sharing documents. Click on this Attach icon. After clicking the Attach icon, you'll be prompted to choose your file source. Microsoft Teams offers you a couple of handy options here. You can either choose to upload files directly from OneDrive, which is particularly useful if you have documents stored in the cloud, allowing for easy sharing without downloads. Or, if your file is saved locally on your computer, select Upload from My Computer. If you're regularly updating files, OneDrive could be your preferred option, as it maintains the document versioning, whereas locally stored files would need to be manually updated. Select the appropriate option based on where your file is located. If you're choosing OneDrive, navigate through your folders to locate the desired document. For files on your computer, you may need to browse through your folders to find the right one. Once you have found the file you want to share, select it. With your file selected, the final step is to send it. Locate the Send button, indicated by a small plane or arrow icon, typically located near the Compose message area. Clicking this will directly send your file to the chat, making it instantly accessible to the conversation participants. There you go. In a few simple steps, you've now successfully shared a file using Microsoft Teams, ensuring that your colleagues have immediate access to the necessary information. By mastering file sharing through Microsoft Teams, you streamline your work process, reduce email clutter, and keep everything organized in one unified location, making collaborations smoother and more efficient for everyone involved. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on utilizing Microsoft Teams to its fullest potential.